significance of a community, a strong and active community in the blockchain ecosystem or in the layer 1 is really the adoption and awareness of the people, including the students or the non-financial background people. So number 2 would be really the development and education of that particular layer 1 blockchain. It helps them to be able to improve the system and overall value that they can give to people. And number 3, it would really be the trust and confidence, and also that can shape them in a way that it is more improving. And I think what is more important to them is having an open conversation or open feedback to their communities, especially the communities. It is those people that brings value to a layer 1 blockchain. So have an open conversation.